once you're in the media library, you have a lot of options on how to share it. First thing you can do is you can set this up beforehand, is you can set up with the download. If you just click on the download button, it will allow you to download that video. Okay, you can save it to your desktop, and depending on the settings they have will determine what type of video as far as size and quality it is. Next, you have the embed. With the embed, it will give you a true embed code that you can put on any website. You can then add to it as well. You can customize the size of it depending on the size of the web page you're going to put it on. And a new feature they have is a responsive, which means if you put it on a mobile device, before if it was too big for the mobile device, you would only see half the video, and sometimes it was tough to get to the play button. The iframe responsive, it will now adjust to the size of the screen you have, so your mobile device, your website, whatever it's on, it will adjust and it will fit at any size that it is. You can also go in and add a title, social media. There's also advanced settings where you can put more on. And really what you can do here, if you notice where down here where it says show captions and it says false, by just clicking on this, it will change the code to true. So once you copy the code and you paste it onto your website, you can go through and change this manually just by hand, just by type, getting rid of false and putting in true. So that's the embed feature. The Permalink is a nice feature because you now can set up and make your own links. This by default will always be there, so you can't get rid of that, but you can add social tools to it. You can add attachments, you can add annotations. You can go in here and you can give them the download link and captions on, include the embed code, link of it, whatever you want to do. Go and change the name. So we'll just change this name to this one and see if this works. We create it, and now that's the link. So if I went to go view this, there's the video, there's the stats on it, here's all the share menus. It now gives me also the download link. And if I had attachments, it would have attachments located right in here as well, or located down here on the bottom. Share just gives you the option to share to one of your favorite social media networks. This here can be edited simply right in here on the first page, the title and the description. So if you do share it, you want to make sure you have that filled out correctly so people know what they're looking at. There are some more advanced features that we can go over later, and that would be annotate, closed caption, and the ability to trim the video right in Ensemble. So if you made a video, it came out, and maybe the last 30 seconds you didn't want in there, you can just trim it out. It doesn't give you the ability to go in and trim inside and cut out a scene, but it does at the beginning and at the end to trim.